All right, guys. So yesterday you looked at area of a triangle, which was sort of a little bit of a review. What we're going to do today is take a look at still working with area of a triangle, but working backwards. Instead of finding the area, we have the area. We have to find either the base or the height. So if we recall, the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height. And if you remember from yesterday, the height here is a perpendicular distance, hence what we see over here. So let's take a look at how we might work out with these problems. We have the area, we have the base, but we're looking for the height. Well, again, if I know that my formula for area is 1/2 times base times height, I can start substituting in the values that I know and solve for the unknown value. So I know what the area is, and that's 14.9, so I'll substitute it here. And that equals 1/2 times the base. I know what the base is, 8.3, so times 8.3. And I don't know what the height is, so I'll call it h. And then I just go ahead and solve for h. I can start by multiplying both sides by 2 to get rid of that 1/2. So those will cancel. Okay, I will put that into the calculator. So I'll put a calculator here. And we'll say 14.9 times 2, or you can do it in your head, that's 29.8. And 29.8 equals 8.3h. So then I just go ahead and divide by 8.3 on both sides. Okay, and I get h here. And then again, into the calculator, I can do 29.8 divided by 8.3, and I get this long decimal, 3.5903. Let's see, 3.59036. Okay, but we go up here and we see that we need to round to the nearest tenth. Okay, so that's one digit. So I round here, the 9 bumps it up. So 3.6 is h, approximately, about. So h is about 3.6, and we label inches. All right, we can try the next problem, same idea. We know that area is equal to 1/2 the base times the height. I'll substitute in what I know. The area is 29.6, and that equals 1/2 times. This time I don't have the base, so I'll put b in here, and I know that the height is 8.1 times 8.1. Okay, so again, I'll multiply both sides by 2. That's going to get rid of this 1/2. Okay, so if I'm not sure how to do it, again, I can just put it into the calculator. 29.6 times 2 gives me 59.2. So I get 59.2 is equal to 8.1b. That's what's left, b times 8.1. Divide both sides by 8.1. This will cancel. I'll get b over here. Again, into the calculator. 59.2 divided by 8.1 gives me 7.308. I can write that down here. 7.3086. And again, I need to round to the nearest tenth. So I'll say that b is approximately, the 0 doesn't bump up to 3, so 7.3 inches. And that's it. So again, just as a reminder, it's really important to understand that we're plugging in the area and then either the base or the height, and then just working backwards from there. And then if we don't get nice numbers that are rational, we just need to round.